In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Remove this cap, just slide on the side, and it slides up. Slide the wiper arm up, and grab the blade, and it just slides out. You just twist it, take the new blade, slide it in position. Make sure it's all the way down. Fold it down. Fold the arm down. Take the cap, line it up, and just push it down. Lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.